Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to find computer serial number in Windows 10 and 11 using command prompt. In case you have purchased a branded computer and you want to know the serial number, click on the start button at the taskbar, type here CMD in the search results, click on this one command prompt entry. In command prompt, copy and paste this one command that you can find in this video description, that is WMIC BIOS get serial number, and then press enter on the keyboard. On your screen your computer serial number will be immediately displayed. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.